That Porter guy, welcome back. I'm that Porter guy, and basically I'm working up to being a tech, and so they have me going around doing some of the very light tasks, if you will. But I've been building up as I go. But today I'm here to put in some new light bulbs. Got those right here. I'm gonna put those in. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, got both lights seated properly, and I'm gonna put the cover back on. First, I'm gonna do a test. Porter guy approved. Yeah. All right, let's put that cover back on, and we'll wrap this up and get out of here. What the guy proved. Let's get out of here. So this section here of the video is something I had to do after the property manager called and asked me to check out the lights in the basement. I'm just going down here to check out the one light bulb that you'll see is out. What I ended up doing is just going to it and twisting the bulb in, and the light came right on. I've witnessed that plenty of times in the basement, so that's why I knew to do that first. Yo, check this out real quick, a little something. That looks like a bunch of fun right there.